Hi guys, welcome to today's episode. Today we're installing some carbon fiber front fenders on this beauty 370Z. Make it look fresh. Let me show you what I got and stay tuned for the transformation. Stay tuned. All right, so here we have the fenders and they're very popular within the 370 350Z community also. They're really nice fenders. So, but they don't come pre-drilled or anything, but we're gonna actually do all the drilling, make sure they fit perfect on this thing, and get it looking right. Because that's what we do here. We get these vehicles looking right, pardon all the mess right now, because I just had to buy a new grill, put it together. We grilled in here. You know, I'm setting up all the stuff here, so you guys got to bear with me. So now let's get to removing the front bumper and the whole front end, pretty much, headlights and, you know, fenders, except the hood. We're not touching the hood because we're gonna go off with that hood. So let's get it. All right, with the vehicle up in the air now, we can see that, you know, there's a few bolts here. He's missing his inner fender. I'm still gonna remove the wheels in the front because that's the next step. Getting this job done. So let's remove these wheels and keep going, guys. Bumper off. Now we can access the headlights. We can access the rest of the bolts that we need to. There you have it. Headlights are out. So there's 4 bolts to hold it. One here, one here, one on the side here, and then one right here. And then it's one plug for the whole headlight. Really easy, really nice. So now I'm just gonna clean up over here, make it presentable, you know, make it look nice. So now let's get to removing the fenders. It's gonna be the fun part because we gotta take off that side skirt. We might be able to get away with not taking it off. That's what I would love to, but we might not be able to. So let's get it. All right, so I had to move the lift to this, the car to this quick jack, because on that one you can't open the doors. And you need to open the doors to get to a few of the bolts on the fender. So there is one right here, and there's one down there, right there, right here in this area. And then we got to pop out the side skirts to get to the other 2 bolts that are behind here. There's 2 bolts, so there's clips and stuff that I already removed. So this is loose. And then you get the other bolts out right here, right here, right there. There's one right here, the 2 there, and the 2 in the door. So total of 7 bolts holding your fender. So let's get them off. All right, so the fenders are mocked up. It looks so good. They lined up pretty good. I make sure I touch my little magic on there. Made them fit really nicely. And then I'm just gonna mark where those clips go and drill the holes so I can clip it back in there. And I gotta drill the holes where the mounting points are also, which you can see through here. I also gotta drill here, mark them up, drill them up on the 3 bolts to go up here. 1, 2, 3. Sorry guys. 1, 2, 3, I'll be here. And then do something with this one, see if I can pull the fender down, play with it a little bit. If not, we'll use that hole right on top of there to mount it on there. No biggie. But yeah, it's coming along, guys. Let's get it. So as you can see, I marked all the spots where the bolts go. Can't right there too. Right there, and then we got the fenders underneath there. The 3 spots. What are we gonna drill? This one back here, they doesn't give me a lot of material. They cut it short, but we should be able to get the bolt in there, I believe. Once all that's done, then we gotta drill the holes for the where it clips. I forgot to mark those, but I want to secure the fender first and then get to those. Let's get it. All right, so fender's on. Everything lines up okay. It's not perfect, but you know, the products they send to you these days aren't perfect, so you can only do so much. That looks good. You see the little imperfection there, but that's the way the fender is made. I don't know if the airflow and stuff like that, but you know, Headlight matched it there. But I did have to put an extra bolt here because I couldn't get, you know, where the holes go, can't get them on there, so I just put an extra one on there. I added one, and then here I ran out a little out of room. So, but other than that, looking good, man. And then over here, it's not perfect. Like I said, it's lined up how it's supposed to, the points. But here's a little like gap. But if you look from far away, you can't even see it. So I don't think we're gonna care too much about that. As long as the fenders are on and they looking good, you know. Because I know all my stuff, well, actually, like that kind of body kit does take a lot. It doesn't fit perfect either. So just, you know, don't mind. Aftermarket stuff just doesn't fit. So let's get it. All right, so the front bumper's mocked up. Everything looks pretty good. All the bolts fit really nicely. The only thing here, it's not perfect there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but everything else is just lined up. So just gotta drill a couple more holes and finish her up. Let's get it. All right, and just like that, she is done. Like I said, it's not a perfect fitment on this fenders. I would recommend them if you just want to do shows and stuff like that. But if you're really picky, don't even buy them. So yeah, gotta give her a quick wash. Make sure they look good. I still gotta button up this side skirt. Actually, she's not done. I lied. So now everything looks good. Let me close the hood for you guys. See how it looks. And she looks phenomenal. Look at her. Oof. I think he did perfect choice by doing the accent on there. Black, and then the front's carbon. So sick. So yeah, guys, that's how you install the fenders. It's a lot of work, you know. It's a lot of work. You have to have some experience. Like I said, just mark everything and make sure everything lines up. but she's all done. Let's get it. All right, guys, so the time has come. I'm gonna lower the car and see how it looks on the ground. Let's check her out, because she is looking really nice. Oh yeah. For this side, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. I had to make a little bracket on this one like that because it wasn't long enough on there, so we needed support on there, so looks good. Like I said, it's an all-day task, so it looks really good. I'm happy with it, so I'm sure my buddy's gonna be happy with it too. This joint, a nice more joint. I'm gonna give you guys a walk around, watch her real quick and give you guys a walk around. But now, let's lower her down and see how sexy she looks on the ground. What do you guys think? Comment below. Let me know what you guys think. This video was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Peace.